Welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, Class 6, and the subject is English, and the chapter is 1.3, and the name of the chapter is Autobiography of a Great Indian Buster. Here is the chapter related to Great Indian Buster. We will see the autobiography of Great Indian Buster. You can see the figure here. The author's name is Dr. Pramod Patil. We will see here the introduction means the basic things of Great Indian Bustard, that is a bird. The height of the bird is the 4 feet and the weight of the bird is 18 kilos. You can see the figure here. So we will see deeply about this bird. The heaviest flying bird in India is the Great Indian Bustard. So we should always be proud of this, that we have this type of bird in our country. This bird has more than 30 different names in different Indian languages. If we will talk about Marathi languages, in Marathi it is known as Baldok or whom. Before only I have told you about the height and the weight, so it goes up to our shoulders or even more higher. It has a long white neck, brown wings, tall yellow legs and a black cap on his head. So here he is talking about his wife, that is Mrs. Bustard, who is smaller and slimmer than him, and her neck is not white, but both look very impressive. They live on grasslands and deserts. This all everything we are talking about one bird which is very famous and the heaviest flying bird in our country, that is a Great Indian Bustard. They live on grasslands and deserts with their friends, and their friends are chinkara, blackbird and larks, and they eat everything including snakes, lizards, small fruits, berries and every types of insects, but their favorite food is grasshoppers and beetles. This is one type of insects. Whenever there is rain, they all gather to get their favorite food, and there is no people to disturb them. And they also perform a wonderful dance with the help of special feather which it is attached below their neck. They dance in joy and cocked up with the tail and drop down their wings. So in this way they try to impress their soulmate. And these birds lay their eggs and the young ones hatches out of their eggs. Here we can see the interesting things that the mother Great Indian Bustard lay just only one egg directly on the ground. They never believe in building their nest, but they make a special trick to protect themselves from their enemies. Their eggs look like a stone, and their enemies are lizards, foxes, dogs, pigs, snakes, and eagles. They try to take the egg and chick, but his wife protects their eggs from all of them. When the rains arrive, their young ones hatches out of the egg. Here the other birds' young ones fly away soon from their nest, but the Great Indian Bustard and mother and the chick have to stay together for at least 1 year. So it takes long time to fly. At that time they learn many good habits from their mother. Their great human friend is Dr. Salim Ali, who had suggested that they should give the status of national bird of our country. But this honor was given to our beautiful relatives, that was the peacock. But then also these great Indian bustard birds are happy because they are the state bird of Rajasthan, and they got 10 sanctuaries for their protection. But now it is decreasing. They live in all parts of India, but nowadays these birds are very afraid of hunters because they are killing them for the fun. And the other reason for their decreasing population is due to electric power lines, because they can't see while flying, so they are losing their homes. Today only 200 of these birds are left in the world, so they are asking the help of our support and love in order to survive. So the great Indian bustard bird is saying to us that we can write the letters to our leaders and can make an appeal to help them. They are saying that we can make the drawing of them and can submit to our teacher, or we can discuss with our parents. If we want to see them, we can go at a sanctuary, because nowadays we can see them at there only. We can't see at any another places. If we the humans don't help them, then there will be no one left on the earth. Then they can see only in the pictures. So this was the help they are looking from us, that is from the human beings. So this was the autobiography of great Indian bustard. Thank you.